Ah, hello our digital friends. Here's Olga. I'm marketing specialist in UGREEN. I would like to make an announcement. From now on, I want to release this series of useful videos. We're going to share some useful information about our products and related gadgets, also some news from the mobile and computer world, some tips and tricks, promotions, product releases, and lots of different things. So just stay tuned. Today we're going to start with the first video about 5 tips and tricks how to fix and avoid the charging problem with your Apple Watch. Because we all know that Apple Watch now is so precious and personal device for us, so we want it to work perfectly. Please don't be broken. And I also will share a discount in this video, so let's dive right into it. So on average, it takes 1.5 hours to charge your watch from 0 to 80% and 2.5 hours to charge up to 100%. It's better not to leave your watch charging overnight because it can deplete the integrity of the battery over time. My suggestion is you can split the time between morning and evening. For example, you can charge your battery in the evening for 2 hours and half an hour in the morning, so you can avoid waiting for 2.5 hours. Completely remove any plastic wrap on your charger, clean the surface of your charger and of your Apple Watch at the back. Connect your charger. Right now I'm using power bank of UGREEN and our new wireless charger. Sometimes you might not position your Apple Watch and the charger correctly. So just to make sure that Apple Watch and the magnet of the charger align together, and you will see the green or the red lightning bolt when you position it correctly. Hey, please subscribe. We have lots of interesting information. Not so many promotional videos, only good information. Just subscribe. If your watch won't charge, you can force restart it. How to do it? Press 2 buttons, the side button and the crown, and hold it for 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo. Let it go and try to charge again. In most cases, charging problems occur with the cable, so you would like to try another cable or buy a new one. You can check our store. We have such a wide selection of cables with a good quality. And our new product that doesn't need any cables at all, it's wireless USB charger. Wireless USB Apple Watch charger, approved by Apple, MFI certified. Cable-free charging, no extra charging cables are needed. Simply plug it into a wall charger, power bank or any other USB charging devices. It is compatible with all Apple Watch series 4, 3, 2 and 1, and also special editions of Apple Watches. Compact and lightweighted with lanyard design that makes very comfortable to travel with. I'm sure if you clicked this video you had some problems with your Apple Watch. What is your charging problem? Please let me know in the comments down below. I will try to solve it. And I also promise to give you a discount. So to first 10 different people who will comment this video, I will send you an Amazon discount for our new Apple Watch charger. Thank you for watching, guys, and as an act of support, I really hope that you can subscribe and like our video, and best regards from UGREEN. Bye bye!